hitchhiking in Everest. Windy. Time to go get on board. Everest. I made it. Yes. My helicopter ride. We only get 10 minutes here, so I'll do a quick little Pam. Tell you what, it's cold, my friends. Love y'all. We made it to Everest. I'm gonna get a picture with my phone. Love you. We're out. We go. Dropped off by the helicopter. Check out this hotel behind me. Hotel Everest View. Get ready to go there and have some breakfast. Beautiful, beautiful place. Wow. This place is amazing. How beautiful. Hey travelers, shout out to my helicopter pilot here. She was amazing because these winds were ferocious. It was really a scary ride. This is a trek up to the breakfast place. And Big Papa here is already winded. Already getting lightheaded. A small headache. Whoo! Let's go see what kind of breakfast we got and just go look at these views. Figured you might as well see the toilet. Toilet. Bathroom break. Hello travelers and welcome to Hotel Everest View. 13,000 feet here up in the air as we look up on Mount Everest. This is where I got to sit and have some bacon and eggs and just enjoy the scenery and the view. And the air was just a little condensed, you could say. I had a massive headache. And one of the travelers that flew with me played the piano for us when we got to eat breakfast. But thanks for joining me and enjoy the rest of this video. You're about to see Iuka Airport here, which is considered one of the most dangerous airports in the world. I was lucky enough while I was there to watch these guys load up one of the helicopters that was actually carrying supplies to the locals. They load them up with grain and water, and like I said, this is the most dangerous airport in the world. I actually got to see some airplanes coming in here and more helicopters just flying in and out. I was amazed at just how busy this place was. I mean, it was rocking. I mean, people in and out, helicopters in and out, airplanes in and out all day long. But appreciate you guys coming along and enjoying these journeys with me, and look forward to the next adventure we're going to have. Subscribe and follow me along the way.
When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think